Thank you to Poppet Pets for sending me this, and let's get to it and open it. Let's see. This one will do. We got, that's so cute, this little like sunshine dude. Blaze, we got Blaze. Nice, we love. And Blaze color changes in the heat, which is amazing. Okay, we have Bretzel. I like Bretzel because Bretzel kind of like is shy but has like a cute personality. Trying to decide which one has that's the one with the. Ooh. Oh yes, we got Rainbow. We love this so much, and I can't wait to put it next to Pastel. If you know, you know. Sometime next week. Ooh, we got Jimmy the Cricket, who's a mare. So cute. Like, look how cute he is. Jiminy Cricket is a bug of many traits. I love that. Last, even I forgot what I asked for. Pearl. Pearl is a hard worker. So cute. She loves her town and her neighbors. Aw. So cute. So yeah, I got these 5. And Chucklemore made me this customizable pack, so I really appreciate Chucklemore Poppet Pets. Thank you so much for this. All right, bye.